Welcome everybody to another video. Glad y'all could join me today. If y'all new to my channel, my name is Rocco, and this channel is all about fitness, lifestyle tips, cycling, and veganism. So today I want to talk a little bit about, my life experiences and how that shaped me as an individual and how y'all can learn from that. So, I've been locked up, if y'all don't know, for the past 13 years. I received a 15-year sentence in the Department of Corrections in the state of Florida back in 2005. I just got out recently about 6 months ago. Yeah, roughly 6 months ago. And so, different challenges that I've been facing in my life is from dealing with all that, from living that reality for over 12 years of my life. And now coming out into the free world, it just gives you such a greater enjoyment. It gives you that attitude of gratitude in the little things, like just coming out today and being able to cycle up the mountains and, have the freedom to just get on my bike and just go wherever I want, whenever I want. You know what I mean? It just feels great, because for so long I've had people tell me what to do, when to do it, how to do it, and it's just so intrusive and obnoxious. And then when you experience that freedom, you encounter like this, it's almost like a fear of anxiety, that rises up in you, because it's like, can I do this? Am I allowed to do this? Should I do this? Is this a good idea? Because you're like paralyzed by it because of what you've been, programmed to do for so many years. It's mind-boggling, but you just got to overcome that to be able to take the negative and turn it into a positive. Even though you experienced all that, you made it through, because I've met a lot of people that didn't make it through that experience. And then after that, being able to come out and enjoy life and to just make something of my life in the midst of all that struggling and suffering, all those things that I did for so many years, you know what I mean, behind the fence, to now be in this free world gives me just a better enjoyment and a better appreciation in that attitude of gratitude for each and every little thing. You know what I mean? To be able to have a cell phone, to be able to make YouTube videos, to be able to talk to people all over the world. All of these things are a blessing that I don't take for granted at all, because I see the intrinsic value in it. I'm able to realize it for what it is and be thankful that I had that ability after I've been closed off for so many years. And, just like get on a bike, I appreciate that more than anything else, because I love cycling now, because, I always grew up riding bikes. I always had a bike ever since I, was, I think 3 or 4 years old, learned how to ride a bike. I always had a bike. I always loved riding bikes. Was more into it sometimes than other times in my life, but I always rode bikes. But now, after going through that and just, that's just, it's just the belly of the beast is what I like to call it, dinner, Satan's playground. Coming out of that, and being able to come out into this free world and to enjoy life, it really makes you appreciate the little things. And that's just like getting on my bike today and get out and come out here and want to get out and get some fresh air and get a ride in. It really is such a blessing. And that fear and that anxiety that I had to deal with is just something that I had to overcome. I just had to say in my mind, you know what? I'm not going to let this hold me back from doing what I in my heart desire and want to do, and to be able to make myself feel. I'm not going to allow that to happen. So the fact that I encountered that, overcame that obstacle, jumped that hurdle, surmounted that thing that it was in my way, that obstacle that was keeping me from attaining what I desired in my heart, made me a stronger individual. Because I'll tell you what, being strong comes from going through things, going through challenges and adversities and different things in your life. And that's what, hardens and forges you like steel, makes you hardened, so that you're able to so much more enjoy life, and things just don't offend you like they offend other people. And you're just able to take life in and embrace it with open arms and just enjoy every moment of it. So I hope y'all like this video. I'll get more into it, the mental game and the things behind it, so that y'all be able to enjoy, and have a sense of appreciation that I have for each and every little thing in life. I see so many people around here just driving down the road, they're miserable, I see them, I can see through my glasses, I can see in their windshield. These are polarized, so I can see in there. and I just see the looks on their faces, like they hate, like they might be in a brand new Mercedes, BMW, Jaguar, Land Rover, Range Rover, whatever, don't matter, right? Brand new top of the line model car, and they're miserable. I'm riding around on my $300 Craigslist bike. I'm loving life and enjoying every moment, getting the sweat in, and they're looking at me like I'm crazy, and I'm looking at them like they're crazy. Like, how y'all don't understand and appreciate what you got, you know? So I'm gonna leave y'all with that. Think about that. Take care, man. I appreciate y'all joining my channel, tuning in my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Give it a thumbs down if you don't. Leave a comment section down in the comments below. I always like to hear what y'all think, man. You know, it's always good. I'm the vegan, man. Keep it going. Try Shaker Talk, man. Look forward to hear what you got to say. And y'all take care, man.